Stuffing box. A stuffing box is an arrangement to prevent leakage of steam past the piston rod and valve rods. It is located in the cylinder cover or the steam chest. The tightening nuts are removed and the gland that applies the necessary pressure on the packing material is removed. The mounting studs are dismantled and the piston rod is removed. The packing material is taken out and finally the gland bush is removed. The details of the parts of a stuffing box are presented on the screen.